I think there's huge opportunity for district heating in this country. I'm a great believer in it, but in the right place, in the right way. And I am worried that we've been putting it into systems that are too small with the wrong energy loads. Where you put it in with the right energy loads, big enough, flat enough, long enough energy demand patterns of heat, that is, then actually it can be a highly viable proposition. And that's why big energy services companies are actually investing very heavily in that sort of system in Birmingham, Leicester, Nottingham and so on. Very big citywide schemes. The problem has come where we've been putting in very small systems, often for planning reasons. Planners seem to be insisting on schemes as low as 50 homes, which is, it's very hard to make those viable. The heat losses are a high proportion of the total heat demand, the efficiencies are poor, the capital cost of the unit and the pipe work is very high, relatively speaking. You've got to do it big. Scale matters in district heating. And where we're talking about maybe 500 homes and above, then actually we're starting to get into viability. But the other way to get viability is to link it, not just have dwellings, but actually link it to anchor loads like hospitals, universities, that sort of energy demand. And once you've got a mix of building types, then actually the heat load pattern is very, very good, and it's good for CHP in particular. And because that's producing electricity, which is expensive and high carbon, it can be very viable and save lots of carbon. But you've got to do it in the right place, in the right way, and that does come down to doing a good feasibility study. Some of these smaller schemes have actually not done a suitable feasibility study, not thought it through, just done it for planning reasons, really. What is CIBSE doing about the issues that we're seeing in the district heating market? Well, number one, we've actually updated Application Manual 12, which sets down a real technical publication about all of district heating and CHP, so that's a good step forward. But we're also starting a new project. I'm chairing a new steering committee to drive towards standards, technical standards for heating, district heating schemes that actually cover not just feasibility and design, but right through into installation, commissioning and operation. And I think that will make a big difference in the marketplace. In particular, it's something that actually developers commissioning district heating schemes can then actually rest on and say, look, do it to these minimum standards. And that could take this whole sector to the next level.